Alright, I'm David, and I'm in South Shields Museum, in a kitchen as it would have been in the early years of the 20th century, modelled on the house of famous Shields lass, Catherine Cookson. Isn't that right, Catherine, me little pet lamb? Anyway, this is Ashley.
Yeah, right, Hennies?
Ashley's gonna cook us up some proper northeast cuisine. So Howie, just pick the recipe you want to know more about. And quickly, please, because I'm absolutely clamming. Pick one. Just a bit hungry. So. Running out of onions here. Only had a small budget. Say we're running out of onions, aren't we, Ashley? Just pick one. You'll have to watch the whole introduction bit again if you don't. Be awkward. Pick one.